So a train came by while I was flying this, so I figured I'd get a good shot of that. I think it worked out really well. I got a good piece of footage of the front of the train, which is cool. It was a pretty short train, so I didn't get to do too much, and the battery was dying. So once it got pretty low, it asked me if it wanted to come home and auto land, so I told it to, and it came back right where I took off from. This thing can definitely go really far. Sometimes it gets a little nerve-wracking once you go up so high. It's like, especially when the wind starts blowing, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm definitely getting more confident with it, especially with the auto land feature. I can just tell it to come back home if you ever get disoriented or too far away where you can't see it. In the drone, we've got an SD card, which is where it records all of the footage. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out and take a look at what I got. The footage that you see on your screen is just a live feed. If you really want the good footage, you go through the SD card here, you put this in your computer, and it's really good quality. We'll take our micro SD card and put that in an adapter so we can put it into a computer. Now I'll go ahead and play this video. First of all, it's very smooth, very high quality. And here comes the train right there. There's the engine of the train. This is a really cool shot. It turned out really good. I got it just in time too. I flew it up there when I heard the train, and then it flew right across, and I got a perfect shot of it. It's so high up in the air, and it's still just as smooth as it can be.